Hey guys, welcome back to another Joe Muller fast food review. Today, I am headed to Arby's and I am excited to try their brand new chicken cheddar ranch, exclusively for you. It's what's for lunch. Up next, stay tuned. Okay guys, we are here, we are parked. I got my chicken cheddar ranch, brand new from Arby's. 2 for $6 guys, so I got one for Sweetie Pie. She is at work today and she is gonna love a treat when she gets home. All right. Got a lot of napkins guys because they probably saw me coming and they know that I'm a slopperlicious. Slopperoo. I am sloppy. All right, let's check this puppy out. All right, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna take you guys in for the much deserved and detailed close-up. Alrighty, and here it is in all of its fine glory. Brand new from Arby's, guys, the chicken cheddar ranch. And there it is. Look at that sesame seed bun. That looks absolutely fantastic. I'm going to pop the top. And I got my ranch sauce here. I got my cheddar cheese. I got my chicken tenders. I got some really, really fresh-looking tomato and lettuce. All right. I'm going to give this a shot and tell you exactly what I think. All right. Enough messing around. Let's give it a shot. It's really messy. Salud. There is a lot of crunch to those chicken tenders, guys. It's more crunch than I would really want. Let me take another bite and see if we can make some sense out of this thing. The chicken itself is heavily breaded. It's not really tender. It's the chicken is kind of hard. It's not really that warm. It's really been hanging out a while, guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the very best, guys, this sucks. It's not good. The chicken is lukewarm. The chicken is hard, almost like it's been microwaved. I'm giving this a rock solid 2, man. I wouldn't go out and eat this again. The actual chicken tenders are not tender at all. They're really there's too much breading. They're it's almost like what they did was they took these things out and put it in a microwave. And you know how when you microwave something and you defrost something, it gets like a little hard on the edges? It did taste a little gristle. So yeah, I can't recommend this monstrosity here. It's freaking a absolute disaster. 2 for $6 is a good deal, but it's horrible. It's that they don't prepare it right. The chicken's been hanging out. It's hard. There's too much freaking crust on it. The messiness, that's no issue at all, man. I don't mind that it's messy. The lettuce, the tomato looks relatively fresh. The ranch sauce, the cheddar cheese was basically nondescript. You have so much breading in your mouth, and the bun itself, you don't taste really anything else other than breading and fried crispiness. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Arby's, you basically struck out on this one. I'm giving it a 2. If you are lucky enough to live near an Arby's, keep driving by. Don't stop and get this. It's nothing that's you won't like it. You won't like it. Anyway, guys, that was my review. It's a 2 strikeout for Arby's. Take care. God bless. Keep your hands clean. So long.